Hi, this is Shelly from Frugal Family Home, and today I have an easy, simple breakfast recipe for you of breakfast haystacks. So let's get started. First, we're going to chop the veggies. We're going to chop an onion, and then we're going to chop some pepper. Just simple, just like that. And finally, we're going to grab a potato and shred the potato. Perfect. And now we're going to cut up some ham into small pieces. You can use sausage or bacon, whatever you prefer. And to our warmed pan, we'll add our shredded potatoes. And we're just going to portion them out into serving sizes. And then to the middle of them, we're going to make a small hole and add 1/4 teaspoon of oil. And you just need 1/4 teaspoon of oil to make these brown up nicely. Little salt and pepper to season them. We'll cook them up, and once they're brown on one side, we will flip them and brown them on the other side. While those are browning, we're going to cook the veggies. We're going to cook our peppers and our onions. Here in the skillet, we'll add just another 1/4 teaspoon of oil and stir them around to brown them and soften them a little bit. Once they're softened slightly, we'll add the ham in to brown it and warm it up. And while this is cooking, we're going to cook the eggs in another skillet. So to that skillet, we're going to add our eggs. And I'm making fried eggs, but you can make scrambled eggs, whatever eggs you prefer. And then once we get our eggs in, I'm going to add some salt and pepper, and then add some water and cover it until until they're done. And then once they're done, we're going to assemble our haystacks. So first we'll put our hash browns onto the plate. Then we'll get our cooked veggies and ham and place that on top, to kind of make them stacked up one on top of the other. And then the eggs will be slid right on top of our haystacks. And finally, I'm going to garnish with a little bit of parsley. And that's it. That's how simple this recipe is. And if you like this recipe, I would love to have you subscribe to our channel and visit us at frugalfamilyhome.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.